Okay, so with this question, question two, May's water bottle has 24 ounces in it. After she drinks X ounces of water, there were 10 ounces left. Select all the equations that represent this situation. So if you're really thinking about it, she's got a water bottle, and here it is, here's the top, and it has 24 ounces that's full, and she drinks some water, but after she drinks some water, there's just 10 ounces left. So we're trying to look for what the equations are where we're taking things away. So if I can look at 24 divided by 10, I'm not splitting things up. So that's not one. 24 plus 10, well, that would be if I'm taking the water bottle and adding more water to it. I'm not doing that. But I am subtracting 24 minus 10 to get to know, like, how much did I drink? So yes, C is a good choice. D, we don't know how much we drank, but we know if we add the 10 back, we will get a full cup of water. So that's a good one too. And 10 times some amount equals 24. I'm not multiplying anything right here. I'm just subtracting the water that she drank. So C and D are our best choices.